Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I bring you the 2016 Mini Cooper 1.5 Turbo. So this car is not the S, it's not the John Cooper Works. It's the 1.5 liter 3-cylinder with a turbocharge attached to it. But that does not mean this car is not fun. This is a good amount of fun for a small little car like this. Got black stripe coming down on the front here. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up. It's not like a white color, it's more of a very light gray. Almost like a concrete color, which is kind of fitting seeing my surroundings. But the door has very good weight to it. It's a very nice feeling car. And for a 3-cylinder, it doesn't sound half bad. Once you're inside, it is a very, very nice place to be. And it's very quirky too. There's a lot of different features, a lot of different Easter eggs, really. You have Harman Kardon audio. You can change all the accent lighting, all this gauge. You have a button up here. Put that towards you and you can change the illumination color. And then when you go to adjust the climate control, this aligns you with, you can see a little white dot there of where it's going. It's getting hotter, colder. But yeah, this is a very, very fun car. Has 3 main drive modes. You have green. It says on the display, let's minimalize. Well, minimalize. Then you can go into mid-range. It just says let's motor. Nice normal mode. And then sport mode, you get let's motor hard with image of a go-kart on there. It's really, really kind of neat. Let's go ahead and take it for a quick test drive. Put it in drive here. You can go into sport and then into manual from there. Very nice sounding engine. You can hear the blow off valve a little bit. In sport mode, the steering is nice and heavy. Very good feeling, feels like a sports car, the way a Mini Cooper should. And I just want to point out now, this is not the S model, it's not the John Cooper Works, this is just the base Mini Cooper. And it's still a fun car. You know, this would be killer in an autocross track. Put some stickier tires on it and just have a blast. That's what Mini is all about, is having a blast while driving. So while I'm waiting here, you can notice is the dual pane sunroof. Looks very nice. That weird humming noise you may hear, that's the rear wiper. And I mean, it's real close to you. So that's why you can hear it. Let's go into normal mode here and see. The steering is instantly lighter. There's no fun in that. Let's go ahead, let's have sport mode. Driving excitement gauge comes up there. I put that up. There's many different ways you can arrange the display. And that's the way I chose. Wow, pretty peppy. It's a fun little car. For, I mean, just a 3-cylinder, man, it can get up and go pretty quick. Once you're on the highway, you're very comfortable. Doesn't feel like you're driving a tiny car. You know, it's a very, very nice place to be. In all reality, this car really isn't that big. I mean, if you look up and see pictures of this generation of Mini Cooper next to the original, you realize this car looks almost double the size, and that's really because it almost is. It's not a tiny, tiny car like a smart car is. You know, this is a decent, it's smaller than, say, a Ford Focus, but it's going to be similar in size to a Fiesta, if not a little bit longer than a Fiesta. Pop it over into sport mode and see how that adjusts. handles these turns pretty well. What's funny is this steering is heavier than my Focus ST, which is impressive for the base model. And then on the dash here, you get a nice, pretty cool checkered pattern. It's really kind of neat looking. I don't know, for the price point of this car, this is a very upscale interior. I keep referring to this car as the base model, you know, and it looks just pretty much as good as a John Cooper works. It's really kind of cool. I mean, you have a ton of legroom. I moved the seat up just because I like to be close to the steering wheel. But you have a ton of legroom in this car. It's impressive. Once you start to apply power in the corners, it pulls you right through. It's impressive. Wow. I understand the craze over these cars now. This is a fun car. So for manual shifting, up is downshift and down is upshift. While it may not make sense at first, in reality, it goes with the G-forces, so it makes sense. Sport mode will just keep your revs up there too. For a couple of seconds, then it'll realize you're not going for it anymore, and then it'll kick back down. Man, this car can corner. Never mind what I said about sticky tires. This car does not need it. It's awesome. shifts nice and quick when you want to. There's no delay. It's very nice. So overall, what are my thoughts? Man, this is a fun little car. I mean, it doesn't have the most power, but it still has a great sound to it. And this drives like a Miata. It's really, really good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys.